Hi, this is Blue Queen Legos again, and today I'm gonna show you just a marble dispenser or gumball thing. You put the coin here in, here your coin comes out. At the back this will come out, then you can get your marble. So we're just gonna do that. For you America and England or something, you need 2 pennies, but for European you need 10 cents. And then I'm just going to do this. I put the coin in. Just push. So this comes out. You pull. Then you can see this. And there's your marble. Really easy. Put back. Cannot get out. I'm just gonna get them out. Now your coin, like this. There it is. Really easy. Then we're gonna do it just again. It's in. You pull, marble, taking, close, shake, coin. Real easy. Gonna do it 3 more times because I have 3 marbles in it. Just like this. Again, a marble. Real easy. Close it. The coin. Again, a marble. Just 1 time. Then you have to shake a little bit. Just looking. Okay. So yeah, you can also do this, but I think you won't. Then I got my money back. So that was a little bit fail, but yeah. And just put your coin in. This thing comes out, and then your marble. And there's your coin. So this was my, this was my marble dispenser. Bye.